Let's study binomial theorem. This is the last section now. A general term. What is a general term? We saw in we say that the a square plus 2ab a plus of a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. What is general term? General term means the nth term. It could be first, it could be second, it could be third, it could be fourth, it could be fifth. It is the nth term. So what is the nth term of a binomial expression? If we have this expression a plus b to the power n, we say first term is nc0 an b0, second term is nc2 nc1 a n minus 1 b1, third term is nc2 a n minus 2 b2, and so on. Now we need to find the nth term. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. We need to find the nth term. So what is the nth term? Nth term will be, let's say, rth term. Rth term will be ncr a to the power n minus r b to the power r. This will be the rth term of this expression. So if we say that the fourth term of an expression is 2, the fifth term of an expression is 10. Now we need to find a in that expression. So we say nc 4c, this is a fourth term, there are n terms, this is a fourth term. Yeah, let's see this a bit later. Now let us find the middle term. What is the middle term? If n is odd, that is a plus b to the power 3, then we know there will be 4 terms. So we will have 2 middle terms. If n is odd, then we will have 2 middle terms, and the middle term will be n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 1 by 2th plus 1th term. This will be the middle term. So n is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to second term, and second plus 2 plus 1, 3, third term. Second and third term will be the middle term. So if n is odd, that means here the number of terms will be even. So we will have 2 middle terms, n by 1 plus 2th plus n by 1 plus 2th plus 1th term. These will be the middle term. If you find what is the middle term, it will be nc r by 1 plus 2th a to the power n minus r plus 1 by 2th and b to the power r plus 1 by 2th. This will be our first term, and similarly we can substitute this value to get our second term. If n is even, a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We know if it is 2, then the number of terms will be 3. If it is 3, the number of terms will be 4. This we studied in the last section. So if n is 2, the number of terms will be odd, and we will have only one middle term, and the middle term will be n by 2 plus 1th term. This will be the middle term. So here we learn about a general term. What is a general term? The rth term of an expression is the general term, and it is given by this. Middle term is, if n is odd, then we have 2 middle terms, and they're given by these terms. If n is even, then we have odd number of terms over here, and we have only one middle term, and it is given by this term. Okay.